How to add credit card on AliExpress. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add credit card on AliExpress. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your AliExpress account, just like I have done here. Once you're logged into your AliExpress account, navigate through to the account, to your account. Yes, to your account. And how do you get to your account? By moving to the top right corner of the screen. By the top right corner of the screen, you will see account. Yes, so once you click on it, a box will be displayed showing you a list of options such as my order, my coins, message center, payments. Yes, that's our focus. Just click on payment. Once you click on payment, you'll be directed to the payments page. Now on this payments page, you would see add new card. Add new card. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be the new card option will be brought to you, and then you will see the number of cards that can be accepted on AliExpress. They include MasterCard, Visa, etc. Then all you need to do is to enter the card number here, the name on the card here, the month, the year, the CVV, and then you click on save. Once you click on save, you'll be asked to verify the card to ensure that you can use the card to make payments on AliExpress. And once it's verified, your credit card will be added automatically to AliExpress. Yes, it is that simple. So go ahead and add that credit card today. Thanks for watching.